Hello, in this video, we're gonna look at the Christmas presents briefly, talk about how we're going to do via our points, and then talk about what we're gonna do in our next video. We got a good take from my sister. I love it, and my daddy got an open track. Because we're using selected points, we're gonna wire the values like this.
Okay, so we're going to solder a wire from there to there and a wire from there to there. I'm using leaded solder. I'm just using it up. I'm a strong advocate of unleaded. Here we go. I'm just tinning the wires. I've applied a little bit of flux on the rail here because I'm carrying the soldered wire to the rail. So there we go. So that's soldered there. Then I'm just going to make sure that feeds up around there, and into there. So if I just push that into there, once again, it was solder on the iron, I think. Push that into there. Burn your fingers. Tin the next wire. Once again. Then this wire goes around to this rail. Okay, so they all look good joints. I'll just push that down a bit there actually. Shouldn't really do this. All right, that's it really. I just form them so you go through the gaps between the rail joiners are now connecting the rails up, and mean that you're not relying on these parts of the rails to carry the power through to that rail, and we're not putting wires under the board to bring power up. It's an insulated frog by Pico. There you go.
In our next video, we're gonna start the Eagle truck. We're gonna use cork. We're gonna use screws it has banners on the edges of the dark, and the rest we're gonna paint grey.